Well, moving on here tonight, a state Supreme Court judge ruling in favor of Acting Mayor Scanlon and Buffalo City Councilman Mitch Nowakowski in their legal battle against the city comptroller. Our Angelica Gallagher joins us here live in studio tonight with more on today's decision. Angelica.
That's right, Rob. Following the lawsuit filed by those two city leaders, a judge ruled today that the city comptroller Barbara Miller-Williams must now move forward with the $110 million in bonds for the city's capital budget.
This is not something we wanted to do, is not a path we wanted to go down, but the delays in projects, the money that it will cost in addition to what it would have originally cost, I felt the need to go the legal route.
Wednesday's ruling comes after weeks of back and forth between Acting Mayor Scanlon, Common Councilman Mitch Nowakowski, and City Comptroller Barbara Miller-Williams.
The comptroller will be now compelled to borrow on behalf of the city of Buffalo.
Scanlon and Nowakowski sued Miller-Williams earlier this month, accusing her of stalling the city's major infrastructure projects after the Common Council approved the $110 million to fund them back in December. In the ruling, the judge stated Miller-Williams' failure to do what was instructed by the council and mayor was an abandonment of her duties according to the charter.
It was reaffirmed in a court case that you cannot interfere with the budgetary process of the Buffalo Common Council once it votes and disposes of a budget.
Miller-Williams believed the city could not afford to borrow that much money in bonds, refusing to go above a debt cap of $28 million, leading to a halt on several projects that were set to start this year.
The capital budget was not irresponsible, and we did not put taxpayers in harm's way. We bonded out $55 million for the Buffalo Public Schools, and 92% of their projects are reimbursable by the state of New York. The second portion were bands. Those are bond anticipation notes, and they are for infrastructure projects that are also reimbursable by the state of New York.
No one wanted to harm the city financially. The argument was, does it or not? And it doesn't. 82 of the $110 million is reimbursed. And we're right back at the $28 million cap that the comptroller initially wanted to implement.
Moving forward, city leaders say it's important these bonds are issued as soon as possible.
Main Street, Jefferson Avenue, Bailey Avenue, major infrastructure projects, building projects, support for our cultural institutions and their facilities as well. So just because we've lost this construction season does not mean that these projects have disappeared. Actually, probably makes the case more dire.
Nevertheless, we're going to keep the city of Buffalo moving forward.
Now, we reached out to the city comptroller's office, who issued a statement saying they received the ruling today and don't have a comment at this time, but they'll reach out once they've reviewed the document. In the studio, Angelica Gallagher, News 4.